Welcome to Practical AI for SMBs Week 1. Today, we'll explore what AI truly is and isn't. This session aims to demystify AI, making it accessible and practical for small to medium-sized businesses. Let's dive into the fundamentals and clear up common misconceptions. AI is not just for large corporations. It's accessible to all businesses. The concept of AI has been around for decades, operating on algorithms rather than supernatural means. Understanding these basics is crucial for leveraging AI effectively in your business. AI's journey began in the 1950s, initially focusing on mimicking human thought. For years, it was confined to labs, but recent advancements have democratized AI tools. Cloud computing and big data have significantly enhanced AI's capabilities, making it more accessible than ever. AI functions by processing inputs like questions or data, identifying patterns from historical data. Its outputs can be text, visuals, or predictions. Essentially, AI acts as a rapid assistant, leveraging learned information to provide insights and solutions. Let's debunk some AI myths. AI isn't just for big businesses. SMBs are increasingly adopting it. Setting up AI is simpler than it seems, and it's not a job killer. With proper use, AI is secure and enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks. SMBs are using AI to draft proposals and emails, saving time and boosting productivity. AI provides instant meeting recaps, automates customer support, and aids in sales forecasting and scheduling. These applications streamline operations and enhance efficiency. This week's activity involves identifying tasks that consume your time. Write down 3 to 5 weekly tasks that feel like a time drain, such as admin, writing, sorting, or chasing information. This will help us explore how AI can alleviate these burdens. Here's a breakdown of common time-consuming tasks: administrative duties, writing, sorting, chasing information, and data entry. Recognizing these areas allows us to target them with AI solutions, improving efficiency and freeing up valuable time. Next time, we'll explore how AI can handle these tasks, potentially cutting the time in half. AI enhances efficiency, streamlines workflows, and boosts productivity. Embracing AI technology can transform your business operations, making them smoother and more effective. Next week, we'll delve into AI use cases. We'll highlight successful AI implementations in SMBs, discuss challenges in AI adoption, and explore opportunities where AI can provide significant advantages. Join us to discover how AI can benefit your business. For AI consulting, visit cloudmadesimple.com/aconsulting. Our team is ready to assist you in integrating AI into your business. Contact us at the provided numbers or email for support. Let's make AI work for you.